Alright, we got zinnias. What else have we got? Tomatoes, blueberry bush, my shadow, hello. Californian poppies, here, hello. Calendula, noisy neighbours in the background. But here, this is what we're looking at. This is going to circumcise something in there. Little pussycat. Alright, let's have a go. Let's get into the greenness. Are we giving the beefsteak the snip? No, we're not. Are we giving one of the bell peppers a snip? No, they can hold on to their bits for a bit longer. What about the aubergine here? Yeah. You reckon you need a snip, my friend? No. Tomatoes don't. What about the cucumber? I know a lot of you ladies would like to give this a snip, but no, that is not going to get the snip. But what is the watermelon. Right there. Let me change hands. Let me put the camera in my left hand. Right. So, having never grown a watermelon before, me and my dad think this could be as big as it's going to get. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 more watermelon eggs to hatch. But this one here is a different colour. You can see it's kind of going yellow. And we reckon it's probably ready. Don't know. Anyway, this poor blighter is in for it. So let's do it right now. Ah! Is that it? I think that is it. Oh, come on. There we go. Actually, that's not a bad effort for over here in the UK. Well, certainly for us. It's the biggest one. In fact, the first and only one that we've managed to grow. So, I don't know whether we allow it to ripen a bit more or whether we cut into it and see what it's like inside. Now then, Google recommends that we leave this out here in the greenhouse to ripen up, allow it to fully yellow up, I guess, and then, I don't know, in a week or two's time, once the sun has tanned this bad boy up a bit, we'll cut it open and have our first melon ever that we've ever grown here in the UK. So for now, it'll probably stay there, or maybe on a windowsill, who knows. But with that cut, it might enable these 4 others to fatten up and then eventually ripen up, so we get 4 melons off this plant. But if we don't, and this is the only successful melon, then I'm happy with that. Alright, That's it for this one, just a real quick melon catch-up video. So yeah, thanks for joining me. If you have, remember to hit the like button. If you like the video, do share the video around. Not very big, is it? And please do subscribe to the channel, because that always helps. And until the next one, bye for now.